closed-end fund investors. What's your perspective? Is the closed-end fund investor profile changing?
I don't believe that we're seeing great change in the closed-end fund investor. I think what we would always like to be able to do is perhaps reach and attract younger investors, and typically I think closed-end funds have not managed to do that. That remains a goal, but certainly not something that I think we're seeing yet. So I think more typically we're talking about generally wealthier and generally older investors, and particularly people either approaching or in retirement who are looking for the income that generally closed-end funds can provide.
I don't think that the profile of the average closed-end fund investor has changed in any dramatic way. What we find most often are income-oriented investors who are enticed by the large distribution yields that many closed-end funds have, and also deep value investors that are enticed by the discounts to asset value that the funds trade at.
I think that the closed-end fund investor has changed over time. Back early, I would say that previous investors really just bought it for distribution and just let it sit and continue to earn that distribution over a period of time, reinvest their dividends, continue to get that distribution, and that was a very successful strategy in certain respects. I feel that with the inefficiencies in the marketplace, the volatility that's in the marketplace, I feel that there's been more tactical players that have entered the space. People are looking to take advantage of the inefficiencies that are in the marketplace, and they're actually willing to learn what makes up a closed-end fund. So for me, it's a wider market, more people are playing in the space, and hopefully that could lead to more liquidity overall.
I don't think it's changed markedly. I think we've seen, if I had to observe a change, you've seen a little bit more interest from activists / institutional investors over the last few years.
We're seeing very little overall from an investor profile changing in the closed-end fund space. By our research, approximately 95% of the space is still dominated by retail investors. So we have seen some other institutional investors come into the space when discounts do hit new lows. I think those are always a backstop for having discounts not go very wide. But at the end of the day, the space is about approximately $230 billion in size. And so you need a lot of capital to come in to really change the profile overall. So currently it's still dominated by retail investors.